Welcome to Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my YouTube channel, Mero True Life Story. God bless you as you do so. My lovely fans, hey, yo is on the run again. Oh, yo don't abandon Juju Ekwensu again. You heard me right. Oh, yo don't abandon her again. When I say yo abandon her, some people go think say maybe yo don't pack it, don't run comot. No, there are different kind of abandon. Some women claim they are married, but you see single women, they are even better than them. That is abandon in marriage. Now, so it's still there for side chick where they snatch people husband. Oh. Abandon side chick, and there is something we also call abandon of side chick. Like Juju Ekwensu the face so. Yo no feel leave Juju Ekwensu. You know why? Juju Ekwensu be like bone when he hook it throat. He no fit swallow am, he no fit throw it am. Because he and Juju Ekwensu, they did a lot of things. Juju Ekwensu know the kind evil wey she do. She knows say to destroy the home of Yo, it will take a lot. So in take Yo, they swear many covenants, many oaths when he take with this man. Sometimes when Yo want to run, that Juju wey he swear will carry and come back. So Juju Ekwensu is somebody Yo can never leave. But there is something we call abandon in friendship or marriage. That is exactly what Juju Ekwensu is going through. Yo, they treat Juju Ekwensu in a way when you tire, you go. Forget all those things where Yo, they write sometimes. Sometimes now Juju Ekwensu call they write. Una remember say there was a time when she don't have access to Yo phone. She was not able to write. We hear what for social media. She don't gain access again, and we can see the difference. My lovely fans, Yo don't throw away face come up for where Juju Ekwensu dey again. Yo don't abandon Juju Ekwensu again. Destiny Etiko say Juju Ekwensu need help. He say she need help. He say and her family members, they don't want to help her. They want her to continue to be in this relationship. They want her to be there. Destiny Etiko say Juju Ekwensu family never remove her for her jam action. No. She say I hear things. Things. He said Juju Ekwensu family. He said the reason why Juju Ekwensu so they shook head for there. They never remove eye for May Edochie property. For some time now, they say, they call Juju Ekwensu. They pick a call. He just concentrate for Asaba when he dey. Destiny Etiko say, wetin Yo they go they do after they come out for movie location. It's none of her business. He said, but the man they do. Destiny Etiko say, this man, he said, this man they do. He said, this man they do. Destiny said, there is only one thing she will thank God for May Edochie to walk away. He said, whosoever said that May Edochie should be and remain in this marriage, he said, make wetin happen to May Edochie happen to that person. He said, there is something they call free apartation. He said, now May Edochie for carry. He said, Juju Ekwensu, when he say, I win the man. He said, wetin Juju Ekwensu they go through. He said, yo, when no they pick Juju Ekwensu call, no they call am. He said, for movie location, Juju Ekwensu go call. He go they cry for phone. No be so you tell am oh. No be so you tell am oh. He just they call you, they pick. Who dey with you? Who dey with you? Lizzie go dey there. Destiny dey there. Which one you can't they look their eye now? They remove eye for woman body. All these awards he cannot do in the eyes of his wife. He dey do am, but now behind his wife back. But when it comes to Juju Ekwensu, for Juju Ekwensu eye koro like this, now in they do wetin they do. I laugh in Chinese. Now they say now so Juju Ekwensu go they cry. You no send Juju Ekwensu. They say this time around, he just concentrate on Asaba. Wetin they go on for Asaba. Destiny Etiko say now wetin they know they talk. He say you say Juju Ekwensu matter don't tire am. He don't tire am. Say Juju Ekwensu is a mistake. You say Juju Ekwesu is a mistake. He said the reason why make am still dey carry and they go. If he leave am, the laugh go too much. People go too mock am. And he put his hands for different things because of that woman. Different things. He take different holds because of that woman. He said, na him make am still dey there. He said, you tell them. He tell them. He said, Juju Ekwesu is a mistake. He said, mistake which shame no go let you come abandon. He said, na Juju Ekwesu be. He said, if he leave Juju Ekwesu, he said, they go too laugh. He said, do you know how many people called him when they talk to him? How many people advise and say, you, claim your pikin. If you so much love the child, claim your child. Go back home to your wife. No responsible woman will want to put asunder into what God joined together. You not get problem with your wife. You and your wife not dey quarrel. Una not dey fight. There is no war at home. Now your third leg mistakenly go give woman belle. Beg your first wife. Accept the child and go back home. He said there was nobody wey no advice on this advice. He said people wey tell am make go meet Juju Ekwesu. He say na his family. And that's his best friend. He say finish. Now those people, now he tell am say go meet Juju Ekwesu. He say every other person, they tell am say go home to your wife. Go home. The time where you and your wife supposed to take enjoy life, you won't go use and carry another woman. God will never forgive you. He say no here. He say now day to day. Backwardness. Next thing he said, you tell him with him mouth. Say waiting they go through, say na packaging. If not, people will laugh am. Say na packaging na day. Say I bet Juju Ekwesu forget him. He said now when he go Abuja now they know whether Juju Ekwesu they exist. As he just there, so he won't relax, his brain won't just live his life. Anything that will make him not to remember Juju Ekwesu, now they do for you. Destiny could say, with all these things so they happen so. He said Juju Ekwesu go call. He said sometimes 30 missed call, 40 missed call. He said you not go pick. He said if you see as you they treat Juju Ekwesu he said even slave no go tolerate what Juju Ekwesu they tolerate. He said you use the mat. He said you use the mat. They say even Juju Ekwesu shame no go let them walk away. Shame no go let Juju Ekwesu walk away. He said even if Juju Ekwesu won't work, I say if family they no go agree. He said they no go agree. He said anytime we be say no pick like this, he said they go see how Juju Ekwesu family will soon start to the color. They will soon start to the call. All of them the day inside marriage. He and Juju Ekwesu go just talk. The mama go call him. On top of the talk where and Juju Ekwesu talk. He say now marry one, marry all. Now all of the be. Marry one, marry all. Hey. My people, before I give you the full details, make I feel welcome to my wonderful and amazing channel. This is Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my video. God bless you. And to all my wonderful and amazing subscribers, may God Almighty in heaven bless you all in Jesus' name. Inshallah. Amen. So, according to Destiny Etiko, he say when you tell this word, he said that it's a joke. He said Juju Ekwesu sister na your fair call you. As you not pick. He say you can pick Juju Ekwesu sister call. Put them for speaker. He say Juju Ekwesu sister call they tell say Juju Ekwesu say they call you not pick. Now you call tell and say where in they play. In they play like your sister wey sit down for his house full down. In they play not be walking day. When he not pick he call, your sister suppose no say in they walk. No be say you call person they give am 50 missed call. Make he leave movie come they answer call because saying they date your sister. He say now Augusta can say you. Anytime when you reach Asaba, you they change. If you reach Abuja, you go change. If you reach Asaba, you go change. Wait till they change you. Now you can tell Juju Ekwesu sister say in a small pikin now when they get different character. Now who he be now he be. In a Odogu. He character we get for Abuja, now he get for Asaba. Nothing change am, nothing they do am. Your sister need to understand, say people they work. She's disturbing. How can you give somebody 40 missed call a day, 50 missed call a day? Is she crazy? Now Augusta tell am say, she even call you to talk to you about her sister. You dey insult them. Anyway, he just say make him know the reason wey make you not pick am. So your reason now be say you dey work. Now Juju Ekwensu sister come tell you say. Now Juju Ekwensu sister come tell you say, make that your work just be your work. Because if they find out say no be work where you dey work, the story go change. Now you say fair go use that story to change your family. Augusta say no problem. They say Miri can say no problem. Because anytime when you reach Asaba, there is something about you. And that thing when it happen for Asaba, she go personally come Asaba, come find out. Now you say, I wish you good luck. They come cut phone. These are the same people, when they come online, they show us say they love each other. Oh, my in-law, my in-law. They say that bad supposed to happen pass for inside all these people. As Juju Ekwensu sister call, he never tell Juju Ekwensu mama don't call. Hey. Yo don't marry. Mr. Obasi wanna say if you marry one, you marry all. Yo no ye. Juju Ekwensu mama don't call before you know wetin dey happen. Now Juju Ekwensu mama na can shock the Destiny Etiko and Lizzie Good. Juju Ekwensu mama call, he say yo. This noise wey you dey make, this odogu dey go Asaba dey behave anyhow is none of their business. Their business be say her daughter born 3 children for you. Shey you know. Those 3 children are not coming back to Umoji or empty-handed. You see Aja Mansion now 50-50. Hey, Mua wine Umoji. Now they tell you so. Hey, he say you don't know her. You don't know her. Her daughter come to that marriage because of you. He say her daughter no go enter that marriage and come back empty-handed. He says so better put to work. Better start working on how to collect your share for Aja Mansion. Now the message wey they send you be that. How to share your property with me, Edoche 50-50. Now 2 wives you marry. 1 wife no dey carry property. Properties are being shared into 2 places. That is true. That should be your priority. That should be your work. Your work right now. No be to dey go this thing. No be to dey say, and then they pick Juju Ekwensu. I'm busy. That is your headache. If you like, be busy from now to eternity. Mama Juju Ekwensu say, that is Juju Ekwensu. That is your business. Our own business in this matter is that the property now should wait. If you know say the marriage don't tire am, e no fit do again. Make e give Juju Ekwensu 50%. Make Juju Ekwensu dey come house. Abi those children are free, they won't born for you. Do you think her daughter will born children for free? And do you think her Aja Mansion will go just like that? Mama Juju Ekwensu say she better buy for her daughter not to take half of her Aja Mansion. She say she would rather buy. Hey, Mama Juju Ekwensu, hey, cemetery menu una get for Umoji. If they no fit bury you for your husband house, they'll fit go put you for evil forest. They'll go put you for evil forest. Animal food there, evil spirit there, they make they use you do breakfast. So your eyes is still on me Edoche property. The Destiny Etiko say they shock. He say all these things wey they happen, you put phone for speaker. Etiko say there is something strange about this whole thing. Look like you want to expose these people to them. It be like say you want me they know who they be. It be like say this man they under bondage. Something be like say this man dey under bondage. If they go through wetin enough fit explain, give people. So the way you they do, it just be like say you want me they get idea of wetin dey happen. If not, why will you put the phone on speaker for them to be listening to what Juju Ekwensu mama is saying? Even the sister is shocking. He said they were surprised. Destiny Etiko say shock. He said this woman was talking about the property with her full chest. As if her daughter worked for the house. As if her daughter contributed to what May Edochie did. Destiny say, I'm a living testimony. I was there when they started. When Yoyo came to Nollywood, I was already in Nollywood. That was when we knew ourselves. I saw how this woman work hard. She never stayed at home. Even when Yoyo, the art movie, they bring small change. Edochie was already balanced on her own side. She was working. He said, so, not that Yoyo even started the whole thing. May Edochie started it. May Edochie started it. He said, Peter Edochie, they tell me Edochie that time, say, stop selling this recharge card. Don't be selling those recharge cards where they sell for Mero just like that. So. She dey sell, she dey supply, all those kind of things. He said they were telling her, May Edochie say, now business, so anybody where they do business, they shame, not go grow. This is her business. Even if na corn she dey roast, not be hunger put her for there. No, she can feed herself, but she want to work. Where person they take every day they finish. She said she saw everything. This woman was the one that even built everything. Destiny say fear her eyes. Oh. He said that they talk all these things. He said, you know, say now they say. He said, but this time around, you put them for their eyes. Make them use their eyes see. He said, even Lizzie go do like this. Say, and so in the year sometimes, so she go tire. She tire for Juju Ekwensu and her family. Their desperation not be here. Mama Juju Ekwensu say, yo, he say her jamashon. He said that yo, they dream. Say house where they don't share. 50-50. Say nothing they happen. He say her daughter must collect property. Her daughter must collect 50% of all the property where you get. Say you. That's about where you dey. Wait till they whine you for there. Will be senator where you reach Asaba, you begin to do anyhow. Stop it. Stop it. And concentrate on the mission where they send you. Now movie, you go out for them. Concentrate on your movie. Concentrate on your movie. They don't warn you, say me you did very careful. Don't talk to anybody. Don't be close to them. Run away from them. They don't want your progress. They are all your enemies. Everybody in the industry are your enemy. You don't forget saying what they tell you. You go, they follow them, they do friend. Now then they advise you. Now Juju Ekwensu mama tell and say, concentrate on how to collect your properties from May Edochie. And they pick Juju Ekwensu call. If she calls you, you pick. Destiny Etikusi and say, so these people eyes still there for May Edochie property. These people still get eyes for May Edochie property. He say you just purposely put that in me the year. He say no be small thing they go on. No. He say na Juju Ekwensu family they marry you. Not even Juju Ekwensu. He say if na only Juju Ekwensu, say you for that throw it for corner. He say you say you don't tire for Juju Ekwensu. He tire. Say you know battalion way this house. Like this whole thing, you no plan at all. He no believe say this whole thing will cost down like this. He say when he deal with May Edochie, you know say May Edochie, they were doing it, in short, they were doing it 70-30. May Edochie will do 70, he go do 30. He thought that it was easy. He said now he enter with it they call marriage. He said that one way day before, he said now holiday. He said his marriage to May Edochie was just honeymoon throughout. He said now he marry. Now he marry. He said go reach all the dampers, what they call her, where these children they wear. He said now they buy all. Now they buy all the pampers for these children. Now they buy everything. He is tired. And this family, anytime try to withdraw, if the mother is not coming, the sister will be coming. He said very soon now the papa will call. Papa will say, let's talk ma to ma. Say he don't tire. He don't tire. He said now so all of them, they attack him anytime when you Juju Ekwensu get issue. One dash and never end though. Destiny Etikusi I tell you, you say, yo. You no want talk for your matter, but you get one way you go shook mouth put. You see May Edochie property. Begin they tell Juju Ekwensu say, now May Edochie build the things. begin dey teach Juju Ekwensu say if she wants property, she should work hard. Make she buy land, make she start to dey build house. It's not hard. Make she come movie location, come dey act, dey follow different. Make she come movie location, come dey act, make dey follow different location dey go. She go build house. Make she remove eye from May Edochie own. That May Edochie own no go work out. Tell am. Na May Edochie get property. You. You no know wetin you tell Juju Ekwensu. Anything wey you tell Juju Ekwensu, that plan no go work. As I don hear am so, that plan don scatter be that. Na God na say make she dey here. So Mama Juju Ekwensu still put eye for May Edochie property. She no go teach her daughter how to work hard. Now people property wey dey suffer work for. Now your mother-in-law put eye. Destiny Etiko say not over her wash. You see that plan wey dey plan so, just fail be that. As long as she Destiny don hear, plan don fail. Now you come tell them say, na me can put phone for speaker. He wants make people know wetin they go through. He say na only Lizzy Gold na dey explain give. As you dey here, so make you hear. Because if you dey talk, people no dey believe am. That Destiny say how people will believe you. When you come out of social media, you dey pretend as if all is well. Let the world know what you are going through. If you talk, come out, people will support you. People will support you. Talk, come outside. You say no fit. He said they use and swear Juju. He said Juju. He said and he was so mumurity. They could they tell and say anything we do, say his children. And they go pay put. He said now that one they fear. He said to say now even use the head, they swear the Juju. He said for face. Say cause they say his children, say he don't know what they do at that time. They tell her make he use your children till they swear. He call they use your children, they swear. Now they see Desperado family. Now May Edochie property. Now they fight for. Now they fight for. Destiny say now sand. Sand now they go pack. Now Juju Ekwensu go pack go us. Sand now go pack. Go back to Umoji. Wonder shall never end, my lovely fans. Leave your comment in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. God bless you.